Biodiversity.
Our planet is simply amazing. Have a green, blue, healthy world that you, us, everyone depends on. For food, fuel, medicine, and other essentials that we simply cannot live without. In short, we cannot live without biodiversity, because biodiversity is us. It is the link between all organisms on Earth, binding each into an interdependent ecosystem in which all species have their role. Philippines is known as mega biodiverse country because we can offer different species of flora and fauna. Biodiversity is important to most aspects of our lives. We value biodiversity for many reasons. Some utilitarian, some intrinsic.
Biodiversity is a variety of life on Earth in which we depend our living. Humanity without biodiversity has no future. The air that we breathe, the water that we drink, the food that we eat, all rely on biodiversity. There's a lot of benefits that we could get from our biodiversity, such as consumptive use value and productive use value. It is not only on consumption and production, but social values as well, ethical and moral values, aesthetic value, and option value. There's a lot of benefits that we may get from biodiversity, but something too much may cause biodiversity loss. Such as habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, agricultural intensification, and invasive species.
community engagement,
such as planting trees after cutting one, plant two, recycle, segregate, and never burn plastic. Production and consumption is very essential in human life in order to feed their families. But why don't we do it in a positive way? Do it organic, do alternative ways of planning. Make money by preserving our biodiversity.
a healthy biodiversity is a healthy living. A healthy living is a quality of life. A quality of life is a desirable ecosystem. A desirable ecosystem lies a happy Mother Earth.
Biodiversity is very important in our lives. Everybody has its own rule and rules to follow in order to provide balance in our ecosystem and make our Mother Earth the best among the habitants that God has ever made.
Preserve to sustain, reuse, reduce, recycle. Take care of our Mother Nature because it only takes one tree to make 1 million matches, but it only takes one match to kill 1 million trees. Let us work hand in hand to help conserve and preserve our biodiversity for us to live a better and sustainable future.